Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now, with Thanksgiving mere weeks away, everybody's been scrambling to the stores to get all of their Thanksgiving accoutrement, such as stuffing, cranberry sauce, turkeys, the whole works. Now, a few of my viewers are having a hard time at the store finding a can of pumpkin puree to make pumpkin pie with, and now they're freaking out because they're not going to be able to have their pumpkin pie after their Thanksgiving dinner. Well, I'm here to tell you, you don't need pumpkin puree to make pumpkin pie. Now, in this episode, I'm going to show you can make this guy right here. Now that's pumpkin pie without a shred of pumpkin in it. Now this pie has all the looks, the smells, and the tastes of regular pumpkin pie, and I would be remiss if you could spot the difference. Now, some of you guys are going to be skeptical, naturally, so if you don't believe me, totally fine. Give me a few minutes and I'll prove it to you. So let's do this.